Tell us your name.
Hello, my name is Daniel Adesiyan, and this is what I did, but I can't really go far with it. So it's a baseball where where the, where they have to throw the ball so the girl can boot it out. But I don't know how for it to go to action.
Okay, you don't need to worry, okay? So it's just a starting point that we're doing right now, and I'm really, really impressed with what you've done, right? You've actually gone ahead to start something. So when we meet again, yeah, we would be able to kind of put the actions and go ahead. But this is really, really good, right? Because you've kind of started, and I think this will serve as motivation for others as well, that they can start something with scratch as well. So how old are you, Daniel?
7.
7, can you imagine 7? Yeah. So yeah, I think you're going to be a motivation for others as well. So don't worry, we are going to kind of expand on this. This is good. We're done. Yeah.
Thank you.
No problem. Okay.